friends. Although it's the first time we meet, I'm glad to see you all. This is Sam from Evangel Industrial Limited Company. Our company has 16 historic construction machines, so we quite expressed with in the business. We received the news that a roller will be delivered from here today. So we came to the port to introduce the roller to you. Please follow me to get full information about this machine. Then the one behind me is the model LTS208H, which is the hot-selling model of our company. The machine comes from Henan Luoyang, either with 8 tons. It's also a vibrating single drum roller. Let's take a look at the motion of the sprite appearance. The motion is bright yellow with a smooth body and very beautiful. Next, take a look at the motion of size. The motion has 5,030 millimeters long and 1,880 millimeters wider, and 2,570 millimeters high. The motion is a large motion. Although it's large, but it's extremely flexible. The max speed can reach up 10 kilometers per hour, which can speed up your construction works. It's equipped with the Cummins engine with high power, which can help you speed up your construction. Friends, are you interested in the motion after hear this? If you want to know more information, please feel free to contact us. Welcome to your consideration next time to say bye.